How to withdraw money from Vantage to GCash. Here's how it works. Load up the Vantage app and make sure you have chosen your live account and not a demo account. Once you have verified this, click on Profile found in the bottom right corner, and then we just gotta choose the option for withdrawal. Now again, verify your account and type the amount which you want to withdraw. You have the option of clicking on Max to withdraw all of your funds to GCash, and afterwards it's going to look a little something like this. The deposit section is fairly similar, so right here you will see the option for credit card to withdraw your funds to. So if you have a GCash credit or debit card, you can put it here in the credit debit card section, which is going to be recommended. And also some regions will have GCash as an option. So you will click on e-wallet and you will choose GCash as the withdrawal method. Simply go through the prompts then, and that is how you cash out from Vantage to GCash. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.